Hey guys, I just wanted to touch base with my future customers about sending me the chip out of your alarm panel, either your Concord 4 or your Concord Express. Um, it's just follow one of my videos and I show you how to pull the chip out and then just safely send it to me. This is how I send chips in a electrostatic bag, and it's just on a little piece of styrofoam. And it's just that little chip there, and I send it in a bubble mailer. Okay. Now, a lot of things I can do on the chip for you is I can find out what the user code is. I can find out what the installer code is. I can find out what the dealer code is. Say that you bought a home and the old customer didn't tell you what any of the codes were. I can break into the chip and get you all the necessary codes. And also, some of you probably may be experiencing where you bought a new home, you turn on your phone system, and all of a sudden the alarm panel starts beeping saying phone failure and so on and so forth. You send me the chip and I can take the phone numbers out of that chip for you and make it what we call a local alarm. So if you arm your system, it'll go off locally, but it won't contact the police unless you want them to. Then you'll have to contract a alarm company. They'll come over and take over the panel. But a lot of times, if you can't give the necessary information to the new alarm company to get into that panel is what we call a brick. It is no good. I can break into that chip and find out what the codes are and send it back to you. And then that way you can have your alarm company come in, and then once they can get into the panel, they can take it over for you. Now, sending this to me, what I do is when I get the chip, it only takes me about 10 minutes to get all the information out of it, and I immediately send it back to you in one of these bubble mailers. I just send first class post office. I do not overnight, and the reason is I've got other alarm companies out there that I work for. Well, not work for, but work with, reading chips for them and so on and so forth throughout the United States. And some of the alarm companies want me to overnight it, so I overnight it. United States Post Office takes about 4 days to get an overnight package from here to, say, Oklahoma. So it's futile to try to overnight stuff in the United States right now during this pandemic. Even FedEx is the same way. They can't do anything overnight because they just don't have the manpower. So if you're going to send me a chip, just send it first class. It'll get here in about 4 days. I read it in about 10 minutes. I immediately turn around and I send it right back out. It gets back to you in 4 days. So you're looking at 8 days with no alarm system. I mean, you didn't have an alarm system before you sent me the chip anyways. So there's really no difference. There's no rush in this. So again, just review one of my videos on how to pull the chip out. Send the chip to me. I go by 3 different names because I'm also a ham radio operator. So I go by N1ZAX. I also was in the military for 6 years, and my MOS was 19 Delta 10, and that's a reconnaissance specialist. So that's another name I go by is 1910 Recon on eBay, and through YouTube I go by G&G Electronics. Use any one of those names. I'll leave it down below, the address to send your chip, but send it to either G&G Electronics, 19 Delta Recon, or N1ZAX, and that's P.O. Box 148, Palmyra, Maine, 04965. And again, I'll leave that link, that info down below. You send me the chip, I can break into the chip, get the info you need, and send it back to you within 24 hours. So anywhere in the United States, just try to, think of 8 days with no alarm system. So make sure you totally power down the system, AC power and battery, before you pull that chip out, and just leave it down until you get the chip back. And I'll give you all the information you need. If I have some of my previous customers out there, could you please just give me a little, ease people's minds and put some comments down below on your experiences with my chip reading, that would be greatly appreciated. All right, guys, I hope that puts a lot of my new customers at ease on sending me the chip, and I hope I can help you out. Thanks, guys. I gotta wait for my computer to crank back up again. There we go. See you later.